Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents Water with Vinegar and Baking Soda, a Health Miracle. Have you heard of the amazing health benefits of water with vinegar and baking soda? Learn all about them in this video. Traditionally, vinegar and baking soda have been used in many different health and beauty remedies. These two products are highly effective, economic, and easy to find, which is why everyone should have them at home. Besides using vinegar and baking soda to clean your house or wash your hair naturally, in this video I will explain how this combination is a powerful health remedy to prevent all kinds of diseases and maintain your ideal weight. Incredible, right? Why combine vinegar and baking soda? This remedy gives you all of the benefits of apple cider vinegar and baking soda. Baking soda and vinegar have opposite pH, in other words, alkaline and acidic respectively, which allows you to be able to drink this without harming yourself. As a result, you will get all of the properties of the remedy without acidifying your body. On the other hand, although many people consume baking soda to fight gastric acid, this is not good in the long term either, because it can alter the natural pH of the stomach acid. You need the chloric acid in the stomach to be balanced in order to digest food well. Properties of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a great medicinal food capable of cleansing the body along with revitalizing it thanks to its abundant nutritional values. It contains vitamin A and B, essential fatty acids, enzymes, and multiple minerals like calcium, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, sulfur, zinc, iron, and silicon, as well as many others. Helps you eliminate toxins thanks to its sulfur content, and also acts directly on your liver, helping you metabolize fats better. Prevents urinary infections and takes care of your kidneys because it helps you keep your urinary tracts clean and your urine acidic. Boosts your metabolism and eliminates excess fat from your body, which will help you lose weight. Improves digestive processes because it is rich in enzymes. It is very useful in cases of flatulence, acidity, bloating, etc. Fights constipation, which improves the state of your intestinal flora. It is a great diuretic which allows you to eliminate excess fluids from your body. Prevents eye dryness thanks to its vitamin A content. Reduces gum inflammation. I recommend swishing a little bit in your mouth before swallowing it in this case. Eliminates mucus in cases of colds and sinusitis. Reduces levels of cholesterols, triglycerides, and uric acid. Improves the state of your skin and hair thanks to its vitamin and mineral content. Reduces the risk of suffering from any kind of stones, whether they are gallbladder, liver, or kidney. Fights gastric hyperacidity and relieves it immediately. It also treats and prevents gastric ulcers, which are produced when there is too much acid. Relieves coughing and throat pain. Prevents muscle cramps thanks to its mineral content. Prevents kidney stones from uric acid. Soothes urinary infections. Improves dental health and prevents problems like cavities, gingivitis, or plaque. How to make it? Ingredients. A glass of warm or hot water, because cold water could be harmful to the liver. A tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. A pinch of baking soda. Try to get organic and high quality baking soda. For it to be truly effective, it should be raw, in other terms non-pasteurized, made in the way that it was in the past. As a result, you will benefit more from all of its properties. How to drink it? You can drink 1 to 3 glasses a day, but it is essential that you always do it on an empty stomach, at least 1 hour before the following meal. If you want to do a body cleanse, drink a glass 1 hour before every one of your 3 main meals After the cleanse is over, you can continue to drink a glass on an empty stomach at least an hour before breakfast. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.